merong earthquake na talagang maraming sinalang ka na buhay. Families, in Cebu, in Davao, and syempre ngayon in Luzon. Even though we're really, really happy to be here tonight, our hearts go out to everyone affected in sa Pilipinas, and we're praying for the safety of everyone. And for our next song, gusto namin i-alay itong kanta na ito para sa kanila. This one's reminding us always na time is of essence. Time is very important. And gusto lang namin sabihin, remind kayo na as long as you're here, kapag may oras, gawin nyo na yung dapat gawin, sabihin nyo na yung dapat sabihin. So this next song, explore or everything and sing it. This is called Time.